What is this?
Shingle scraper.
Hmm.
So it's designed to go underneath and pop the nails up. So that way you don't take all the shingles off and still have a ton of nails in your plywood. Supposedly.
Supposedly.
We shall see.
We shall see. Definitely.
My big goal is to try not get shingles in the pool.
A true challenge.
So based on the videos, you gotta take off the ridge cap. And you go down.
Okay.
My very sexy Milwaukee sunglasses.
You didn't realize how important those were when I bought them.
So hot.
So hot.
This episode we are continuing demo, focusing on the outside of the building. The roof has several rotten patches, so we opted to do a full replacement instead of attempting to patch.
Oops.
Yes, dear.
There's one in the pool. Sweetie! Hi!
The shingle removal went pretty smoothly for it being our first time. I would certainly recommend getting the shingle removal tool if you're considering a project like this.
Terrifying!
What's terrifying?
This angle.
You're gonna fall into me and I'm gonna throw you towards the pool to save your life.
I have my phone in my pocket, please don't.
Okay, I'll let you die for sake of your phone. My bad. My bad. I'm sure there are important calls that were worth your life. So just stand up with it and flip it. Come on, like a table. You're in a meeting, you're pissed.
Terrifying. You trust me far too much. Oogly.
A good shove without going into the hole.
Nope.
Good shove, good shove. That's good enough. Well, you almost got it into the pool. It's
But it's-
touching, that counts. Hey,
I know, me too. Okay?
did it. Now like 8 more to go. In the rain.
I would not recommend trying to work on the roof in the rain. We removed a few of the panels, but ultimately decided to wait for a dry day to finish. These 4x8 panels were attached using screws into the stud. These panels can be removed easily if the screws aren't rusted or significantly painted over. Where there were screws that I couldn't remove, we used the weight of the board to bust the screw through. I later removed the screw heads remaining in the studs with a reciprocating saw and a metal blade.
I'm ready.
Rude.
No.
Pro tip, don't make fun of your husband for taking safety seriously. Karma has a quick turnaround time sometimes.
Okay.
Yep. I am bleeding.
Yes, you are. Gotcha.
Marcus finished the side of the building while I was resting, and the next day we focused on removing the OSB from the roof. Similar to the wall panels, these are attached with screws into the ceiling joists. final 2 wall boards were removed after we could safely move the electrical lines for the pool pump. With that, the outside demo is complete, and we can shift focus to the reframing.